Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to change your background in Google Chrome. To begin with, open up Google Chrome. In the upper right-hand corner, make sure that you're signed in. Now down in the lower right, left-click where it says Customize Chrome. You need to make sure that the background is highlighted, and here you see a bunch of different options. For this example, I'm going to click on Earth. As you can see, more images show up in this area. I'm just going to select the one that I want to use for now. And then click Done. If you have an image that you want to use, the process is the same. Click on Customize Google. Under Background, you can say Upload from Device. And here, click on the image that you want to use. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.